Or you can lay it down in, oh, I said or again. Start that over. Or. Little feel. Hey there, happy campers. I'm Melissa. I'm here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to give you an inside and outside look of this Grand Design Transcend ONE 151 RB. But before we get started, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you're able to be notified of all the videos and trailers that we're going to post. Now let's get started. With the Transcend ONEs on the Grand Design line, you get all of the wonderful Grand Design features at a super low price. This one in particular runs at $14,999. If you want to check it out, go ahead and go to our comment section below. We have a link to our website. You'll want to look at it before it's gone. Now, let's go ahead and look at some of these outside features. There are a lot of amazing features on this Transcend ONE. Starting up at the top, we have our amazing awning that'll give you full coverage space here, as well as a nice awning light to keep you lit up at night. Then we have our indoor-outdoor JBL speaker system. Super, super awesome. And then of course we have some cable hookups as well as traditional outlets here so that you can maybe hook up the big game, or if you want to hook up some griddles to have some good breakfast. Now over here we have our leash hitch that also functions as a bottle opener. It's super cool there. And then of course we have our G-Class all glass door so that you can see outside but no one's able to see inside. Now let's go ahead and look at our storage. Here we have our amazing pass-through storage with some easy to clean floors here and lots of space to store everything you need. We also have lights, which are super convenient if you want to get in here at nighttime and find what you need. And of course we have our convenience bay so that you have everything you need to get yourself set up at the campground. Now let's go ahead and head inside. Now right when you walk in, you have of course your control panel here so you can get everything set up. You don't have a slide, so getting set up is super easy. And then you have your JBL indoor-outdoor speaker system you can work with. And then you of course have a Lippert thin shade ready door here, so you're able to add a little bit more privacy. Now inside, going a little bit further, we have our 13.5 thousand AC unit roof mounted, and so you can keep it cool in the summer months or warm in those winter months. Now let's go ahead and check out our living space. Here in the living space, we have this super updated design here with our chair, super comfortable. It's great for our living area. Of course, we have some extra cup holders for your convenience. And then down below, we have this amazing new feature that's added in a lot of these campers. It is a table that you can use indoor or outdoor, but for this case, it is super great to have a little card table outside or maybe set up a nice place for your family to eat. And then of course we have some pet dishes down below here, great for your little furry family members, and then some extra storage right underneath me. Now let's go ahead and check out something a little bit extra I have for you. Now if you're just wanting to go a little bit into a nap mode, you can lay this down, not if you don't want to lay out that full Murphy bed, or you can lay it down fully into your Murphy bed so you can have your full night's rest in a nice, comfortable space. Now on each side of this bed here, we have some extra storage space. On the left here, we have a clothing rack so you can hang up anything you need. And then on that right side, you have some shelving. So a really comfortable, spacious storage here. And then of course up top we have our extra storage, and then on each side of the bed you have what is essentially your side table, and there's outlets there. You have your USB, USB-C, and then your traditional outlet so that you can be comfortable and content. Now let's go ahead and check out our kitchen. For this being a compact camper, you have a lot of space here in your kitchen. We have this beautiful storage up top, has tons of room for all your dishes, maybe some party platters, everything here. And then off to our left, now in this camper we actually have the gray stone microwave. This may differ with different models and different locations, but here at our location we have a gray stone microwave that looks super, super nice. Now down below we have a paper towel holder, super convenient, and of course our outlets. And now we also have our amazing 2-burner stovetop with splash guard. Super handy there, keep the messes to themselves. And then we also have our sink here. Now down below we have even more storage. We have all the storage under the sink for those cleaning supplies, of course your drawers for those utensils, and then a nice extra big storage down below here, even a little bay for your sponges, other things like towels, and then of course my favorite, the pull-out trash can, nice and convenient. Now lastly here we have our fridge. She is tiny, but she is mighty. She has lots of storage, lots of space for everything you need at the campground. Now let's go ahead and check out our dinette. Now over here at your dinette, you have these beautiful, comfortable chairs and a nice big table. And of course, this turns into a bed. Now it might be a tight space, but you could definitely fit a small little kiddo in here with you. And then up above, we have our storage for all the food and snacks you'll need for the campground. And then of course on the back here, we have our TV backer location so you can hook up a TV, watch the game, whatever you want to do. Now let's go ahead and look at our bathroom. Here in your bathroom, we have lots of fun little details. Of course, we have our mirror and then our beautiful sink down below here and lots of storage space. So on the left there, as well as underneath, you could definitely fit like a little trash can under there. And then off to the side here, we have your storage for towels, other things like that. It goes about halfway through the wall, so nice and deep enough for you to be able to fit in the towels that you need. And then of course, a little hanging rack for those towels and your step to flush toilet. Now let's look at our shower. Now here in our shower, we have lots of elbow room, lots of space to move around. I am about 5'3", so it is a little bit lower, but totally doable. Now we also have our side-mounted shower head that is detachable, so you can spray off those dogs when they get all dirty, or your kiddos as well. And then we have our beautiful system here, nice and sleek. And of course, we have the lip down at the bottom, so none of that water's spilling out. And it is super great, super convenient for you and your trip. If you're interested in this trailer or any of our others on the Grand Design line, give us a call, shoot us a text, or go to cookvillerv.com to get started. Your adventure awaits.